Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode and how to accomplish the wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up. Let's choose here the recovery and press volume down to confirm it. Wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use the recovery mode. Alright, the now command picture pops up, so it means that now we need to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is Android system recovery. Here you can use the following Android recovery system. So here let me scroll down to choose wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Alright, the Android system recovery pops up. Let's press power key to reboot system now again. And that's it, the phone is restarting and rebooting. Wipe cache partition is safe operation. It doesn't remove any personal files, just the temporary cache files, so don't be worried about it. Alright, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.